Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. In my last video, I showed you how to install and set up Cursor AI. If you missed that, be sure to check it out first to get started. But today, I'm taking things to the next level. We're diving into how you can use Cursor AI to create a complete, fully functional website without writing a single line of code. Alright, so here we are in the Cursor AI interface. If you followed my last video, you should already be set up and logged in. Now, the beauty of Cursor AI is its simplicity. It's not just a tool for developers, it's perfect for anyone, even if you've never written a single line of code in your life. You'll see the chat and composer here. This is where the magic happens. Cursor AI acts like your personal assistant, not only generating ideas, but also creating and saving complete files for you. Let's start by giving Cursor AI a clear and detailed prompt to create our website. Now, here's a quick tip. Prompts are super important when working with AI. Think of them as instructions for a personal assistant. The clearer your instructions, the better the results. If you're vague, like saying, make a website, the AI won't know what you want. But if you're specific about the website's purpose, design, and features, you'll get exactly what you're looking for. So, let's give Cursor AI the right instructions. For example, I want to create a stunning fitness and wellness website. I already prepared a detailed prompt for it, and just like that, Cursor AI gets to work. Watch this. Cursor AI is not just generating the HTML code, it's also creating CSS for styling and JavaScript for functionality. Here's the best part. It automatically saves the files in the folder we created during setup. That's right. It's doing all the file management for you. Let's open the files it created. Look at this. We have an index.html file, a style.css file, and even a script.js file. Cursor AI didn't just write the code, it organized everything perfectly. Now, let's open this website in a browser to see what it looks like. And here it is. We can first do Save All and check the website. Then we can accept or reject the code generated by Cursor AI. Okay, so I'm accepting it, but I need some more visually appealing website, so I'm giving prompt to it. Cursor AI doesn't stop there. You can go back and ask it to add new sections like a blog or a contact form, customize the design to match a specific brand color scheme, even debug and optimize code if you want to take it further. All of this without needing to open a code editor or touch a single line of code. This makes Cursor AI perfect for entrepreneurs, designers, and anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life without technical barriers. That's all for today, viewers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips and tricks about Cursor AI and other amazing tools.